If I started 3D printing today, these are the first 5 tools I would buy and make sure I have on hand, ready to go for me, so that way I can make 3D printing a breeze. The first one are these little like needle nose kind of cutters right here. You're gonna use these right here pretty much all day long. They're gonna be great for cutting your filament, pulling pieces out, things like that with it. These are definitely a must and stuff. And everything I talk about today, I'm gonna link down below. You guys go check them out for yourself. Some of them also gonna come in like a bundle of things, which would be a nice quick pack to grab. But these right here are definitely a must have. You have to have these right here for sure. And because when you cut your filament, you want to make sure that it goes straight across, not at an angle. You don't have any kind of scissor kind of cuts with it. So yeah, grab yourself a pair of these. Next thing's going to be needle nose pliers. Not only are these going to be easy to bring supports off of your projects, but you're also going to need them when you have to fix your 3D printer. I know it's a concept that everyone thinks about all the time, right? Fixing your 3D printer, at least I do, because you are always going to be fixing your 3D printer. This is not a plug and play device like a lot of people make it sound. You can have and go for months without any kind of issues, but eventually you will have that one issue that you need to pull something out, grab it off there. This just makes it so nice and easy. Go down there and easily grab them too. And I do have a larger pair for major ones, but this here makes it nice and easy. Grab my filament, pull out supports, things like that. Next thing is going to be this brush right here. This right here is a metal brush. I use this here to clean the nozzle heads whenever my nozzle is hot. Just kind of get all of that dirty filament off there, keep it nice and clean and things like that. Do I do it often? No, to be honest with you, I don't. But that's what I use this brush here for. You can also use it for other maintenance things too. Speaking of clogging, you are going to have times where you have filament clogged in your nozzle and it is a pain. And you're like, why did I start 3D printing? That's where the no clogger comes in. I absolutely love this thing right here. It has saved me so many times. You just heat up your nozzle, take out your tube, and you shove this down in there and push your filament all the way out until it's not clogged anymore. I actually hit this right here with my torch every once in a while to get the filament off of here, and that way it's nice and clean for the next time. The fifth tool that we're talking about today is calipers. These here make it nice and easy to go ahead and design and see how big your item that you're printing actually is. I have a few of these right here laying around. This one right here I've had for a while, and yeah, it's been a nice have. That way I can go ahead and measure things like, you know, like, oh, how big is that? That right there will be 29 millimeters. Or how big is 80 millimeters? I can actually pull this off and be like, oh, that is 80 millimeters. So I can visually see how big things are, measure them when I'm designing them or printing them, whatever it might be. But these are here are definitely a must, especially when you start designing your own projects. Let me know in the comments down below what your next items would be that you would suggest to a new beginner, or what your favorite item is too. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and check out this video right here. And I'll see you guys over there on the next one.